Hey everyone, Matt here. Let's be honest. Creating content in today's digital world, especially trying to stand out on Instagram, can be really tough.
They can be tough, but you just got to be sharp, stay focused, answer the questions correctly.
Constantly searching for that perfect idea, crafting attention grabbing reels, keeping your followers engaged. It's like a never ending content monster that needs to be fed. I am one of those people baiting this monster too. But let me tell you a secret. There is a much smarter way to feed this monster, and it's inspiration theft. Now, don't get me wrong when I say theft. I am not talking about stealing someone else's hard work. What I am talking about is smart inspiration, learning from successful content, catching the trends, and transforming all of that into your own unique content. I call this smart content creation because this method not only saves time but also incredibly increase your content quality. Imagine you are automatically analyzing what the best content creators are doing, what topics they are covering, what formats they are using, and you are using that knowledge to improve your own content. It's like having an unfair advantage. But don't worry, it's completely legal and ethical. In this video, I show you step by step without needing to code how to build your own inspiration machine using a magical tool called N8N. This inspiration machine will automatically do the following for you. It will do Instagram Reels hunt. It will automatically collect the latest and most popular Reels videos from the Instagram accounts you specify. Database check. It will check if the collected Reels have been used before. Transcription. It will automatically convert the audio of the Reels video into the text. Analysis. It will analyze the transcribed content with AI, identify keywords, topics, and potential improvement areas. And script generation. Based on the AI analysis we do, it will generate brand new, unique video scripts tailored for you. And finally, we have database recording. It will record all information, Reels link, transcription, AI analysis in an organized way in a database. It sounds a little bit crazy, right? But believe me, it's totally possible. And the best part is you don't need to write a single line of code. Thanks to N8's drag and drop interface, you'll be able to design everything visually. By watching this video, you'll open a brand new chapter in the content creation. You'll no longer have to wait for the muse to strike for hours, stare at a blank screen, or repeat the same topics. Thanks to this inspiration machine, you'll have a constant flow of high quality and original content ideas. This will translate into more time, more creativity, and more followers for you. So let's not waste any more time and let's embark on an exciting journey together and start building your own inspiration machine step by step. By the way, you can find all blueprints we are using in our tutorial videos and this exact one in our school community Work Smarter. You can download it, you can start to use it automatically, and we will help you to set up your own AI agents, own automations for your business or for your personal accounts. And it's not important you are beginner or pro, we will work together in Work Smarter. I dropped the link below in the description. So let's dive in. Now this is our system. We are creating this system on n8n.io. It's a no-code AI agent building platform and it's really easy to use actually. I will show you how you can start a new workflow from this n8n platform. When you sign up, you will land overview page and it will be empty. This area will empty, but you can create a workflow from here and you will add your first node and probably it will be a trigger because we have to use trigger to use the system. There are various trigger options, but in our case for test this workflow, we will use manual trigger. We will add something like this manual trigger, and when you say test workflow, you can test your workflow from here. But in production level, you can use Google Sheets trigger, Telegram trigger. It's up the system you want to build actually. Also here we have the clicking test workflow trigger. That's why we are using this for testing. And if you join Work Smarter School community, you can download this exact blueprint from our community. You will get this with special trigger and it will work daily or hourly. It's up to you, and it will write all the data to your Google Sheets. You don't have to do anything. First, let me show you how the system works. We have HTTP request post method here. We are sending requests to Epify for scraping competitors or target Instagram accounts, Instagram Reels. After this, we have limit for this scenario because Google Sheets has rate limit. We cannot fill 50 results in a time. If you want to do this, you can use Airtable. In production level, we are always using Airtable. It's easier. You can use Airtable too, but in this scenario, we will go with it. After we are checking, there is option here. We are merged it. If there is same Instagram Reel data in our script in our Google Sheets, and you can see this is our Google Sheets table. We have time step, we have ID, shortcut, caption, hashtags, URL, etc., etc. We are filling here with the data coming from Epify and data coming from our competitors. When you fill this, sometimes you can scrape same reel and you don't want to create same record again and again because it will be a wasted time for checking all of them. So it's checking if there is similar, if there is same result in the Google Sheets. And if there is same result, we will not continue this workflow. It will stop there. But if there isn't, this information will pass and it will be right here. After it, we will have our target video URL and we will download this target video to this exact workflow. And after we will transcribe it. And after we have ChatGPT, but you can use any model you want for filter and generate suggestions about this reel. And I will explain what is it in a really short time. You will see it. After we will send our information perplex and we will enrich this topic, enrich this content actually. And after we will write our own unique script based on this. And finally, we will store our data here in Google Sheets so we can see, we can check, and we can create our Instagram Reels from here. Now, first let's test, and I want to show you the flow of how it's going and what it will feel here. For the test, you are clicking test workflow. We started to get result from Epify. And after I will show you how you can set up each of them step by step. It's going to flow now. We are downloading this video and it will transcribe the video and it will generate and it will filter it actually and generate suggestions on this. Perplexity will work on this. By the way, we filled some of them, but still waiting because we filled main things in this step. Now ChatGPT working on it. Perplexity got it and working on it. And after we will write our own script and we will save it to Google Sheets. And tada, it's done. Now let's check our results. Let me zoom a bit. It will be easier. Our content, first one coming from Social Tip Pro. And this is the transcribe of this video. And let's check the video first. I click.
Squarespace, 10 web, Google, GPT search, PowerPoint, Gamma, Google Translate, DeepL Translate, Perplexity, video, Cellbite. How do you know all this?
Okay, we got it. It's giving information about these tools and what you can use instead of this, but we will get information because if it's popular, let's check. We have video play count, and you can see video play count. We have video view count. People also we have likes, and there are lots of likes here. It's really good. Comments, syllabi. You can see our first comments are important because it's written here. Write syllabi, and they are writing syllabi. That's why it's important. So as we can see, there are lots of interaction in this script, but for in this, not so much. Let's check what is it.
ChatGPT, copy AI, Toctic,
It's actually
Suno AI, 10-pillar circle, WAP, and video.
you can see there is two different accounts and also two different results, but they are so similar because all the creators using similar tactics, concepts, and structures because there's a successful way, and all the creators following this route, and it's normal. It's natural way to build content in these days because algorithm likes something and people like something, and it's growing so fast. That's why we are getting information from other videos, other reels. It's not stealing their ideas, all of them using same tactics because there's one tool and we are all sharing about this tool, or there's five tool, we are all sharing about this five tool in different ways, and a way is more successful than the others, and we want to use the successful way, successful building style, creating style. That's why we are creating this AI agent for working for us and creating content ideas. So let's check. They are looking really so similar, but you can see topic is different, and you can see and you listen the script, but our script is here. Here's a quick rundown of some killer tools you need to know about. Squarespace for building websites, Google for just about everything else, use GPT for AI-driven chats, PowerPoint, and Gamma for presentation. You can create really powerful content like this. And we get the idea, we catched what people likes, and we create our own version and better version, as you can see, because it's not my style actually, but this is my style. I can shoot this video. Actually, I will start a brand new Instagram for show you how powerful is this, and you can follow this account and you will see the results, and after a week we can chat about our progress. Now, as you can see, we have timestamp when it's shared. We got caption. We have caption here. We have hashtags here. And I will show you here. It will be easier. This first module got this. We have all it. Hashtags, mentions, comments, first comment, profile URL, etc. etc. We have all. But we just sent two of them to our system because we limited the output. Now, let me show you how you can set up exact system from scratch. You will add your trigger. I'm not creating from scratch. You can copy all the steps actually. Now, we will use Epify for scrape competitor or target Instagram Reels Instagram accounts. For this, we are going to Epify, and I will show you epify.com. This is epify.com. We are using this platform actually scraping a lot of data from, we can extract Google Maps information, TikTok data, website content, we can crawl website, Amazon, Instagram, it's up to you, but it's really useful. In our scenario, we will use Instagram scraper, but not that one. We will use Instagram Reels scraper, and you can find it when you sign up and join here. When you go to store, you write Reels here. Okay, we have Instagram Reels scraper, and you can see 230 per 1000 Reels. This is the cost. And if you can think the time you have to spend for watch 1000 Reels and analyze them and write all the captions, all the likes, all the information about these Reels is really cheap. It's like nothing. It's like zero. That's why social media managers or social media departments of companies or agencies, be careful. Our AI agents come in and they are really powerful. If you want to use them, learn them, and you will be more powerful. But if you don't use them, if you ignore them, you will lose your jobs actually. Because agents creating data-driven results, data-driven suggestions, and they are fast, they are cheap. If you learn this, you can work fast and you can increase your creativity on data. That's why it's important. That's why every sector, every digital marketing approach is changing. And you have to use it. You have to use it actually. That's why I'm showing this. You can apply in your businesses. We have Instagram Reel Scraper here. We will use it up. How we can use it? There's manual working way of this. You can write competitor's username and it will work here, but it's not helping us really much because you will get your result here. Now, we want to use this Epify results in our scenario, in our script, in our workflow actually, but how we can get this information to our workflow. For this, we will send HTTP requests. For Apify, we will use HTTP request from here, as you can see. You can write HTTP here, there is HTTP request button, and we will add here. And after, we will use post method for, because we will send our request this Apify actor. But how? This is the URL of Apify actor. We will send our request here, this address. But where it coming from? Why we are using this address? This is the API. Let's go to actors again. Real scraper. As you can see, there is a manual workflow. You can add your competitor's name and you can set the limit for per profile, Reels profile, and it will run here. But you will get results in Apify and you cannot use in your workflow. For this, first, let's check how it's working in other ways. And we can see there's manual work and we can see there's JSON work. So we will send our request as JSON to this. For this, we are using API because we are connecting this tool, this Apify actor through API. And we will check API endpoints. There is run actor URL. We can use this and we can run this exact actor from our workflow, but we will get results in Apify. So it's not good for us. We have to come back to Apify. We have to check results. We have to copy, paste, etc., etc. It's not useful. But when we go here, run actor synchronous and get dataset items. Okay, this is for us because we want to download, we want to get dataset items in our script. That's why we will use this one. You can see URL going like this, but there is API Instagram, Apify Instagram Reel scraper. Okay, what is this? We are not using this URL exactly like this. We will use this part first because token is different. I will show you how you can use it. We will use this part, but the Apify Instagram Reel scraper actually this one, this address. So we will use this one in this. As you can see, we will have exact same URL, not this one or this one. I don't remember. Let's check. Yep, not this one. We have exact same URL, dataset items, but we have this address here. As you can see, we are using this exact address. That's how we send our request this actor. How you can create other ones. You have to send headers this HTTP request because it's needed. We will send this as JSON. For this, we will use accept as name and value is application/JSON. We have to also use authorization for Apify lets us to work with actor and it will know our account tries to reach this and it will let us use it. For this, we will use authorization as the name and we will write bearer and we will write our API key after bearer like this. Now, how we can get our API key? I will show you this one. You can go here. You can go back to Apify. There is settings here. When you go to settings, there's API, default API token here. You can copy it from here and you will paste here. After it, we have to send body. As body, we are sending JSON and using JSON. And JSON code, our JSON format is exactly like Apify asks us, but I written my targets here. So the AI surfer and digital Samartian, these are my target accounts. I want to create exactly like them, but better versions. So that's why I want to research them. You can write any account, any username here, and you can use it directly. You can add in more rows here. It's easy. After we will get something like this. When you run this actor, you will get video ID. You will get Reels ID. Hashtags, all the hashtags. First comment, URL of profile, replies, view count, likes, all of them. It will come here also. It will come also video URL too. And also this one is important for us too. Now, we set up our HTTP request and you learned how you can set up your own. We come back to Canvas and we have other nodes here. I will tell you what is this. We have limit. Why? Because of the Google Sheets rate limit, we will just pass 2 results in a time here. We have Google Sheets for searching entries. By the way, you can connect your Google Sheets account from here, sign in, and you have to start your Google Cloud account too. We have get rows. You will use get rows sheet within document. You will use get row, Instagram, Reels sheets, and sheet one. You will use ID column. You can see you set up like this. I will show you timestamp, ID, shortcode, caption, hashtags, URL, comments count, first comment, display URL, video URL, likes count, video view count, video play count, username, video duration, script, transcript, and new transcript. You can exactly set up your Google Sheets like this. And we will get ID column and we will check if, as you can see, there is ID, and we will combine the filters. And if this ID, common ID, already stored here, and if there is already stored here, the workflow stops execution here. It will stop the work, and after we will get new results and it will work again with new videos. But because we don't want to create exact similar reels, and it will mess our database, and we have to clean them with one video at a time, one reels at a time. That's why we are using this system. And you can see there is merge here. Combine matching fields, and matching field is ID. We don't want same ID videos. Keep non-matched. So if it doesn't match, it can go. Workflow will continue, but it does match, it will stop. After it, we will add entries here, and as you can see, it's added already. Two of them unique because this was empty workflow. Now, this is the fun part. We will download this video in our workflow because we want to use this Instagram Reels work video, this one, as you can see. This is the Reels video.
Squarespace.
Yep. In our workflow. So for this, we will use another HTTP request, but in this time we will use get because we want to get this video, and we will get our video URL from our Google Sheets, and we will download here. And as you can see, the data is here. Even you can download in your computer too. But you can see this is a MP4. Okay, we downloaded the video in our workflow. Now we want to transcribe this video, and for this we will use Whisper. You can see there is audio actions from OpenAI, transcribe, a recording. We will choose this, and this is exactly this one. OpenAI account. You will connect this one. It's easy. You can set up here. You will write your API key. You can get it from platform.openai.com, but you have to top up for $5. This one will get this data with MP4, and it will transcribe here in our workflow, and you can see the results. And there is two results. There's two videos, two results. Now, after we got our transcript, we will use filter and generate suggestions. What is it? You will see it. Again, I am using OpenAI, but you can use DeepSeek, Gemini. It's up to you. It's just for showing. Now, let me show you. You are a helpful, intelligent admin assistant. System role and text is admin assistant. But this is I run AI automation Instagram channel. I am looking through news archives to find mentioned tools that I can repurpose into content for my channel. Your task is to take as input as transcript of news archive and determine if the transcription is about a tool, a technology, or AI. If so, this is important. You'll identify the tools, then write a list of step-by-step instructions to use the tool easily, ideally for free or low cost, and one suggestion on exactly how to make this content more palatable to an AI automation audience. Because I want a better version. I want to create better version of original Reels, original script. So this is important. Return your output in JSON using this format. Why we are using format? Because we will use perplex after this node, and we want to reach information. Also, we will check internet for check web results. We will enrich our results. So that's why we are using JSON format. You can see it step by step detailed. And search prompt is this. Sorry, there was a problem about screen recording. I want to show you exact prompt I use so you can copy and paste. I'm going like this. We will use this one, the short prompt search. Short search prompt because Perplexity will check the internet all about tools used in the script. You can transform this prompt for yourself. If you have another sector, you can write what you want and you can get results on your sector actually. For automation, tools are important. That's why I am telling tools. But you got the idea, this is important, and you got this JSON format. User, role is user, and transcript coming from our transcript video section, and you can copy and paste here. Transcript, JSON text, you can pull it, and it will be ready. And you can see the results here. You can see the tools, Google GPT, PowerPoint, Gamma, Google Translate, DeepL, DeepL Translate, Wikipedia, Perplexity, CapCut, Wings, Syllabi. So you can see we have all tools as listed. It's so powerful. If you are, let's say, again, you are a social media manager, you are trying to figure out what tools used in video, you have to listen, you have to catch them. It's time consuming, but here we have the list. It's listened. Our AI agent listened it for us. So step by step here, and also we have search prompt, tool name, type of tool. And thanks to this, we have Perplexity, and thanks to this, Perplexity get this search prompt. By the way, we will use post Perplexity chat compilation, and for the Perplexity, I will show you how you can get your API key. Perplexity, and go to your settings. There's API here, and you can get API key. I'm not showing because it's visible here. Do not show API keys, never, never ever. It's important. So I'm showing you how you can post again. It's an HTTP request again, same one. So you got the idea before. We are using this chat completion. We will use none, and we will send headers again. Accept JSON authorization barrier. This one, and after barrier, we will use our API key here. And for JSON content using JSON, we will use exact this JSON format. Model, Sonar Pro, message role system, be precise and concise. Role user, tell me 3 interesting, peculiar things about this content, this search prompt. And search prompt coming from previous ChatGPT module, as you can see. And we sent our search prompt. You can, where is it? Let's check. The search prompt here. You can pull search prompt here and it will use it. After we got results from Perplexity, we have another ChatGPT, this one for writing the script. You can see again, this one is complicated one. I run an AI automation and Instagram channel. Okay. My editors would like to make a new video. They are found interesting tool or technology, complete a step-by-step guide how to use it. Done some searching on internet to find some interesting thing about, etc., etc. Your task is, we explain the situation first, this agent. Your task is to take as input all of these things, all the results, and write new high quality script for us. Return your output in JSON using this format. You can see your script goes here, roles, use usual Spartan tone of voice, no frills, etc., etc. This is one prompt. We have other one, tool name, tool schema. I just wanted to let you know about, let me show you how it's going, how it's a tool schema. You can copy and paste it here because this one is important. You can see there's suggestion for important, create a short tutorial video showing to use speech and pacing. It's free nature of ease to use. So this one is really powerful and complex prompting tactic. Actually, you can see this one too. Script. Hey, there's a completely new AI text to speech generator that's just as good as 11 Labs. So we got here. We have step by step. We have filtered content. We are filling all of them. This one is really powerful way to generate a new unique script based on our research. All the tools we identify, Perplexity result, as I said, or an original script. We are combining all. We are sure we are writing exact same tools, but in our unique and unhitched way, upgraded way. So this is our prompt. And after, as you can see, we have script here. The new script coming from this agent. We are filling, this is our last module. We fill these are ID again because we have to match the same video. We want to put correct spot. Scrape transcript because we didn't fill yet. And new transcript because we just wrote it. And as you can see here. So that's done. You got all the notes. You understand how you can set up. You can copy and paste. You can stop the video and copy the screen. And you got the all. And I hope you can use it. And I hope you like this video. You like the idea and you see how you can generate a similar Instagram research agent for your agency. It's up to you. It's really powerful, as I said. If you want to use exact system, you can download Blueprint from my community, Work Smarter. We are showing how you can work smarter, as I said, how you can use AI, how you can use AI agents for your work, for your social game, for your business. It's up to you. And we are helping to create these solutions for your business uniquely, face to face. And you can join our community. You can ask for a help, and we will help you. This is our goal, and this is the difference of our community actually. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please like, and you can subscribe for new tutorials, new ways to work smarter. See you in the next.